How to create an about page in Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create an about page uh, by describing the purpose of the website into your Squarespace website. So the process is going to be very easy. You are going to head over squarespace.com. Then you are going simply to sign in for an account within the platform, as you can see like that. You're going to visit the website dashboard, and from here you are going simply to select the website and go to it. For example, click on here, go to the website. You're going to see the website itself. We're going to wait for the loading, and here we are going to see it. So now what are we going to do is to head over pages. Click on pages, and here we are going to get the main navigation. So obviously the about page is going to be an integrated page. So it is going to be a default page. So when you click on it, you are going to see it. Here, this is for any website. For example, you are not going to see the about page. Let's say that we do not have an about page. What can we do? We're going to click on the plus button in here on the main navigation, and we are going to add a page. This page should be a blank page or any type of page that we want. For example, you can go ahead and use a page layout, and from here, you're going to see the preset templates. We have also an about page that is, let's say, totally pre-made for any type of website. So it is going to be a standard one. You're going to use it or select it, and then you are going to customize it. For example, I'm going to add this. This is about, for example, one. I'm going to name it only about. And as you can see, we are going to click on edit. This is a pre-made or a preset page. We have an image block. We have a text and a paragraph. So we can add some sections in here if we want, for example, or we can add some blocks. You can go ahead and click on add blocks and add whatever we want, like images, videos, audios, text, buttons, forms, and etc. So if you want to modify any type of the blocks that we have here, you're going to double click on it, and then you're going to see the editor showing up. And for the image, if you are going to manage or modify the image, you are going to click on the pen tool or double tap on the image, and you are going to either replace the image, edit it, link it, or put an alternate name. And also you can set up the design for filling the image, filling it, shaping it. So also you can add some image effect like this type of effects in here. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.